Hi friends, my name is Shanna Noel from Illustrated Faith, and I wanted to share 3 tips for Bible journaling with you today. Right off the top, don't be afraid to add your own hand lettering along with some sentiment stickers or letter stickers to help you tell the story of what God is doing in your life today. Second, use visual elements to help tell the story. What is He whispering on your heart, and how can you best remember that? I love adding a little tab at the top so that even before I open my Bible, I know exactly where I'm going and why I'm going there. It's just a beautiful reminder. Third, and maybe the most important, is don't forget to highlight that verse. So I drew a circle around my verse, and then I'm using some washi tape stickers to really bring your eye there and attention to His word and the message it's telling me. We are beyond excited to partner with Michaels to help you illustrate your faith in a beautiful way. Remember, friend, you are created to create.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.